Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, Snowed Under. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, snowed under. If you've ever felt overwhelmed, this phrase might resonate with you. So, let's uncover its meaning, usage, and origins together. The phrase, snowed under, vividly depicts being buried or overwhelmed, much like how snow can cover everything in its path. In everyday English, it's used to express feeling overwhelmed by a large amount of work or responsibilities. For example, I'm snowed under at work with all these reports. This idiom has its roots in literal snowfall. Imagine a heavy snowstorm burying houses and roads. That's the level of overwhelm this phrase conveys. It's been used metaphorically since the 19th century, reflecting the hardships of coping with too much work or pressure. To help you grasp the idiom's usage, let's look at some examples. Sorry, I can't join the party tonight. I'm absolutely snowed under with assignments. Our team is snowed under with client requests this week. Notice how it's often used with the verb, to be, and related to tasks or responsibilities. One common mistake is using snowed under in a positive context. Remember, it's about being overwhelmed, not busy or productive. Saying, I'm snowed under with joy, doesn't fit the idiom's meaning. And that's snowed under for you. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom better in your conversations. Remember, English is a journey full of exciting phrases like this. Keep exploring, and don't get snowed under by the challenges. See you in our next video.